In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom values in GoHighLevel. First, log into your GoHighLevel sub-account. Make sure you're in the correct location if you manage multiple accounts, because custom values are saved at the location level. Once you're in, head straight to Settings. You'll find it in the main navigation, typically as a gear icon. This is where you'll manage the foundational pieces that power your emails, automations, and funnels. Inside Settings, open the Custom Values section. This is the control center for reusable snippets of information you want to use across the platform. Click Add Custom Value to create your first one. A custom value is essentially a placeholder you set once and reuse everywhere. Think of it as a smart token for information you don't want to type repeatedly. It saves time, prevents typos, and makes future updates painless, because changing the value in one place updates it everywhere it's used. Let's create a support email custom value. In the name field, type something descriptive and consistent, like support email. I recommend using lowercase with underscores so it's easy to read and search for later. In the value field, enter your support email address, the one your customers should use when they need help. Choose a shared inbox if possible so your team can respond consistently. When that looks good, click Create. You've now saved a reusable value that can be inserted into emails, SMS messages, funnels, forms, and more. Next, add another custom value for your booking link. Click Add Custom Value again, and in the name field, type Booking Link. You can paste the URL to your scheduling page in the value field, or leave it blank for now if you don't have it handy. Values can be added or updated later. The real power here is that, instead of manually typing your email or booking link everywhere, you insert the custom value and it automatically fills in the right content each time. Click Create to save that one as well. From here, you can use these custom values in your templates and automations. When editing a message or page, insert the corresponding custom value so it pulls in the latest information. If anything changes, like switching scheduling tools or updating your support inbox, just edit the value once in Settings, and the change cascades across all places it's used. Pro tip: keep your naming consistent, and avoid storing sensitive data like passwords in custom values. That's it, you've created your first custom values, and you're ready to build faster with fewer mistakes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more.